The VXSCAN F04 Cable Locator is an excellent tool for pinpointing cable breakages and tracing underground wires, making it a valuable asset for anyone involved in cable maintenance. Its versatility allows it to be used on various types of cables, including those used in pet fences, irrigation systems, and construction areas, although it is not suitable for multistrand wires. This upgraded version boasts a high-performance battery that provides substantial usage time, and it can detect cables up to 1,000 feet long and 3 feet deep. Operating the device is straightforward with simple instructions, ensuring that even beginners can effectively locate and trace cables. Equipped with headphones, this cable locator enhances efficiency in noisy environments by minimizing external noise, allowing for accurate cable detection. For optimal performance, users are advised to ensure the battery is charged and to make their own ground stakes for better signal enhancement.